as a student, if you're using AI for your exams, that is cheating because it disrupts your ability to think out of the box and all that.
What's the challenging part of being a backend? Trying to keep up with the tech industry, learning new things, and making sure that your skills are sharp. Okay, how much does a backend developer need?
My name is Mervin, a mechanical engineer, but then I program with Python. I do data analytics and then a little bit of data science.
What do you do as a mechanical engineer?
As a mechanical engineer, I build, you design and build. So from designing machines to simulations of machines, of parts to see if they are aerodynamically feasible, whether they can last, whether they can resist wear, a lot of things.
Yeah, I'm mechanical engineer, backend developer. What do you do as a backend developer? For a couple of years now, I've been building solutions for card processing. Your name, what do you do?
My name is Adam, and I'm a backend developer, primarily mastering Java.
Okay, what do you do as a backend?
So, as a backend developer, we build solutions and build systems and APIs to bring the solution into life.
Can you tell us your name and what do you do?
Thank you. My name is Jesse. I'm a backend engineer.
What's the rewarding part of being a backend developer?
Yeah, rewarding part in the age of AI is giving you that opportunity to think out loud. As if you are willing to know your stuff and not offload your thinking to AI. Backend is a great place to.
What's the challenging part? Because we've been seeing the fun part on social media. What's the challenging part? The reality.
So a challenging aspect is finding the framework to be able to solve your problem. So what I mean by that is, for example, if let's say you're working on a system to be able to do collection of people's money. So basically, in our cultural environment system, we are trying to do that, and there's a situation where you don't fall on the existing tools or the existing methods that people have made, and you want to do it specifically for your use case. So that is where you have to think outside the box. And now AI has made work easier.
So the rewarding part for being a mechanical.
There's joy when you bring something into life. There's joy in designing and bringing something into life.
What's the challenging part?
It's a lot. There's always something new. And then the theories are a lot. You always have to refer. So as an engineer, you have to keep on learning. It has to be your mind that you'd always be learning.
So what's the rewarding part of being backend?
The rewarding part is solving problems. Knowing that the problem you started with, you are able to implement it.
What's the challenging part?
Challenging part of being a backend developer specifically, there's not enough token. We need more token.
So what's the fun part of being a backend developer?
Fun part. Solving problems that you don't typically expect here.
What's the challenging part of being a backend developer?
Trying to keep up with the tech industry, learning new things, and making sure that your skills are sharp.
Would you advise someone to be a backend developer like you?
Yeah, now. Well, depends on the person. If that is what they really want to be, then yeah, go for it.
Is using AI cheating or is helping or making them productive?
It depends. It depends. So, for the cheating aspect, it's a personal thing. So, for example, if you want to learn Java and you let the AI draft a plan for you, at the end, you are still using AI to write the code that you are trying to learn. Right? You're cheating yourself.
Okay.
it depends on the point of view you are looking at this from. I mean, as a student, if you are using AI for your exams, that is cheating because it disrupts your ability to think out of the box and all that. But then AI is here to help us build. With AI, our ability to build is limitless. Right now, if you understand your theory very well, you're able to think through a problem and come out with a very good solution with AI, because AI eliminates most of the repetitive tasks you are going to do.
What one piece of advice would you give it to someone who wants to be a backend developer? Oh, you just need to have a learning and then keep learning. You need a degree. I mean, not necessarily because information is everywhere. But for some people it helps. For me, I think it helped because to the structured environment, I had to Google classes, learn what was being taught, and then construct projects, like all that. Because of the structured environment, it helped me learn what I needed to learn. But some people are good without the structured environment. Depends on the place. Give one piece of advice will you give it to someone going in to make an event?
Be ready for all the headaches, but you must find time to have fun. And you have to love building, you have to love designing before you can enter into it. It's a mix of every single engineering program. You would see every single thing in there, from control systems to electrical machines, everything. So you have to be ready to learn.
What one programming language do you recommend?
Java. And
Why?
is the best. And the one you shouldn't touch, never. PHP.
How much does a backend developer make? That one, I can't say for sure. Depends on where you're working. Yeah, but I mean, if it's a really good place, you can make good. You can give us a range. My former place, I would say maybe 10,000 plus. Yeah. In dollars, so we'll see. Yeah. Thank you so much.